greetings. I want to share with you a poem that I wrote. It's a very brief poem, and it covers such themes as racism, faith, boldness, and reason. There are other themes, obviously, that are covered as well. Hope you enjoy it. It goes like this. History, human nature, improvements. New Jersey Senator Raymond Lesniak is a racist who wants to replace Justice Helen Holmes, a Caucasian, with John Wallace Jr., who is an African American. Lesniak's reason is not because Wallace is more qualified than Holmes, but because Wallace is an African American. Let's replace Senator Raymond Lesniak with somebody who judges people by their character, their qualifications, strength, faith, transforming, instantly, skyrocketing, praise God indeed, certainty, conviction, integrity, giving the media a makeover, fun, extremely fun, wondering, New Hampshire, Texas, safety, liberty. Together we protest. Oh, bittersweet, hilarious, relieving irony, storming, providence, money, energy, production. Yes, I said storming blessings, torrential blessings. I declare it, command it in Jesus' name. Listening, considering, understanding, enjoying justice. Flowers. Tremendous impact. Analyzing. Desires. To hell with irrational, unloving, social, cultural, economic standards and cliches. God offers us each special, awesome, extraordinary miracles to savor if we choose to believe. Volunteering, donating, smile, confidence, ideology, debates, scrutinizing the premise, weeding contradictions. Whose so-called facts do you trust these days? What do you trust? Time, energizing, success. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope that you will remember to share this poem with your friends, and it would also remind you to vote for me, Don Zarn and Steve Usio, in the upcoming election for NJ Legislature this November. And if you don't live in the area, we don't mind your support. Thank you.